Yo guys, welcome back to the gang. Gang. In today's video, we are going to review a pair that has a special name. It's the Nike. All I know is that it's got Pegasus in this name, in it, and that reminds me of Senseiya. That's a manga for the OGs, but not everybody knows about it. So guys, without too much talking, set your heart to blaze and let's get into the video.
Wow, nice, dude. Zip it, Stanley. Kagebunshin no jutsu.
Yes guys, let's open it. I miss this type of boxes, that's the OG type of box, the orange with the white tip. Yes sir, ski. Yes. So first of all, you must know that this pair got the Nike React technology right here, and I just love the design of it, gives me some 007 vibes, very stealthy, I like this part here. Probably makes it easier to put it on, the little triangles on it. GORE-TEX. Wonder what that means. Well, the design is very futuristic, I love to use the word futuristic because Nike, they've been doing this futuristic thing. But what's with all these triangles though? Listen, are you on some Illuminati type of flex? Oh my days, look at that. Look at that. That's the eye of all. Listen, Nike, let's see how many triangles there are. There's 3 triangles. So that means 3 angles, 3 sides in a triangle. Therefore, that means that 3, meaning that it's Baphomet. God damn it. Don't wear this pair, you're selling your soul to the devil. I'm telling you straight up, man. I'm just playing, I'm just messing around. But yeah, even here, it's got Nike Pegasus written on it. The laces, it's got like a faded effect, like granules and stuff, Nothing too crazy. I like this little part here, almost like a snake skin. And yeah, that's about it. Let me show y'all the inside. There's the inside, baby, with a big Nike tick inside. I like the design of this Nike tick. I appreciate it, and you should do the same. Take some time to take it in and appreciate it, So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's about time to put it on. I will tell you guys, no lies. This is easily in my top 3 easiest to put on pair. Easiest, smoothest penetration. Don't take it that way. But it's literally a penetration of my feet inside the shoe. And the process was so smooth that I had to mention it straight off the bat. Or right off the bat, I forgot to say it. But it's simply and utterly amazing. Looking down at this shoe from the bottom, it looks TT. It reminds me of there's a pair of Kenzo here that looks like this as well. It's got a little stripe with writings on it. The GORE-TEX writing adds something to it. Obviously, it looks so futuristic, very comfortable, I'm not gonna lie, this is my top 10. This is also in my top 5 most comfortable pair of Nikes. You know, a little view, a little sneak peek. You know, and what else can I say except from the fact that they just look good. This is a pair that I will wear every day. You know what I mean? This will be good for like my everyday, day-to-day errands. You know what I mean? You know, and I have a feeling that the light tick on the side is a bit fluorescent. No, actually, don't trip. Don't mind me. Sometimes people trip. But yeah, guys, let's give this pair a mark. So yeah, guys, it was about time that me and you agreed on a mark. And even though this pair is not the most flashy, it doesn't stand out as much as other pairs would. That's the exact reason why I'm gonna give it a 9. Because this pair will get you through your day-to-day activity and it will look decent. Slightly above decent, slightly above average. You know, actually truly amazing, but not too in your face. And that's why I personally look for. Other people maybe may prefer that flashy stuff. But me, I like to keep it simple, silent, but deadly. Do you get what I'm saying? I'm not really into the flashy stuff. So basically, I give this pair a 9. And I haven't given it a 9 in a long time. I don't remember the last time I gave a pair a 9. But yes, guys, if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Set your heart ablaze.